Hello mga motorista and welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures. The video for this episode, we have here the new Wuling Macaron dito sa Cagayan de Oro. So this is actually the first time, first impressions ko sa kanya. And let's see kung ano yung mga specs, features, and let's give it a little test drive, no? So wag natin patagalin pa, simulan natin sa kanyang design. As you can see, mini EV siya. So maliit lang siya motorista, yung ating hood is maliit lang, no? So andito yung ating charging port sa ating Macaron. So bubuksan mo lang to and meron siya kasamang charger. Saksak mo na lang sa household outlet. By the way, si Macaron is meron siyang LED na na DRLs, as you can see here. Let's turn on the headlights. Let's see kung ano siya. If it's LED as well. Ano siya mga motorista, no? Halogen siya, pero pwede mo tong i-upgrade siguro into a LED if you want the more uniform look. Dito sa ilalim is yung ating turn signal lights, no. Yung ating roof line is black, no. So two-tone siya mga motorista, yung ating Macaron. So black roof, and then yung body natin is more of a creamy white siya na color, hindi talaga siya yung parang super na bright na white yung color niya dito. So, dito naman sa likod ng ating Macaron, no, as you can see, very flat siya. Meron tayong Wuling na name here. And ayan yung ating brake lights here and yung turn signal lights natin. Yung gusto ko lang sa kanya is meron siyang reverse sensors dito and also a reverse camera. By the way, dito tayo. So ito yung ating rims and wheels, no. So hubcap lang siya mga motorista, no. It's just basically a steel wheel dito. And meron siyang nakalagay green Eco Touring na tire and 145 by 70 R12. So 12-inch rim siya. So cheap lang yung mga tires na pwede mong bilhin dito. So hindi ka masyadong magagastosan sa mga maintenance kasi wala naman siyang maliit lang yung mga tires natin. And yung batteries ng ating Wuling is andito sa ilalim. So yung center of gravity hindi ganun kataas. Okay, so buksan natin dito sa likod. Yan. So kung hindi naka-fold flat yung mga upuan, maliit na talaga yung pwedeng paglagyan dito ng mga things. But as is, you still have for example ng mga freebies like yung mga early warning device natin. Ayan, pwede mo ilagay dito. Best for 2 adults lang talaga to, and your kids siguro. And the other space is for your bagahe na, 'di ba? Or luggage. But if you want yung parang if you want na more capacity, you can fold it forward yung mga upuan natin dito sa ating Wuling Macaron. Again, hindi siya yung yung pinakamalaking range sa kanyang lineup, no. Meron pa silang isa dito which is the Bingo na umaabot ng 300 kilometers, no, yung claim na na range. So ito around 170 kilometers lang mga motorista. So sarado natin and let's take a look at the interior. Hello mga motorista, we are inside the Wuling Macaron and kita niyo naman dito sa loob, no. It's very compact, no. So 2-door lang siya na mini car. So ibig sabihin niya, wala siyang door sa likod. And space dito sa harap is quite good, no, for 2 adults. Meron ka pang room for adjustment when it comes to the seat, no, forward and back and recline. Pero wala siyang height. Pero hindi naman problema yung height kasi mababa lang yung ating dashboard. Now when it comes to the features here, no, here's what you need to know. Meron tayong screen dito sa harap natin. It is a 7-inch display. It is a 7-inch display. So there's a color screen mga motorista, no. But everything that is nagtatakilid ng camera. So everything na about this Macaron mga motorista is on the screen itself. You can see now you have your range here. Right now we are ranging about 85 kilometer. And then kita niyo din na meron tayong seatbelt warning dito. So I doubt that you can see it mga motorista, no. But yeah, so meron tayong headlight, no, and then also yung ating total mileage is and right now it's 290 kilometers, no. So we're not moving right now mga motorista. Meron din tayong mga items here, no. So you can adjust your headlight and also you have your fog light button, reset button here, headlight natin on and off, and then yung ating intermittent wipers, so isa lang yung adjustment niyan. You have your aircon controls here, ayan, and then yung ating pedals, no, brake and ating go pedal. So yung ating susi is very basic lang siya, lock and unlock, and then switchblade type. So yeah, that's basically it dito sa Makaron, no? Meron tayong maliit na dito, rear view mirror, and then yan, vanity mirror. Walang vanity mirror sa ating passenger side. So ngayon, ida-drive natin siya, mga motorista. Ikot lang tayo ng saglit sa ating Makaron. Tignan natin kung how it drives, no? But first impressions ko sa kanya when it comes to steering wheel, napakagaan ng steering wheel niya, mga motorista. Very much electronic steering wheel. So para i-drive natin siya, lagay lang natin yung ating knob here, no? So this is your drive selector. So meron kang charge. Kung gusto mo siya i-charge, kailangan mo ilagay siya sa charge mode, reverse, neutral, and drive. Ayan, traditional handbrake pa din. So tara, let's go. Isang ikot lang dyan sa straight away. Tara. Okay, mga motorista, and we're on our way. So yung kagandahan lang talaga niya, mga motorista, sobrang liit talaga niya, na yung parang hindi mo na kailangan isipin kung saan mo ipepwesto yung yung Makaron mo or yung sasakyan, kasi sa sobrang liit niya, hindi ka na mag-worry kung saan mo ito ipapark, no? Kasi cute talaga siya. Sa inside it's quite big, pero sa labas maliit talaga siyang tignan. And yung suspension naman niya, no, it's a little bit on the soft side, which is good kasi especially dito sa atin na medyo malubak yung mga daan, may mga potholes, no, you need that soft suspension talaga. But very comfortable naman. Yung air conditioning natin is also very decent, and it's very quiet. It is priced, no, at 699,000 yung ating Makaron, so cheaper than the Jetour Ice Cream EV. So ngayon, ikot na tayo, mga motorista, no? Let's go back, and let me give you my conclusion, no, dito. So tingnan natin yung turning radius ng ating Wuling EV. Sobrang liit lang, di ba? Imagine, U-turn lang sa maliit na space. So if you want a city car talaga, no doubt, no, this is perfect for you. So kung umuwi ka sa bahay nyo every day, every night, no, this is a good choice. No need to worry about changing oil, no need to worry about gassing up kasi wala naman tong makina, di ba? So less yung maintenance mo if you're just using this around town. But if your plan is to long drive, this is not the vehicle for you, no? So you have to go for a gas model kasi hindi pa masyadong marami yung mga charging stations dito sa atin, especially sa Mindanao. Sa Manila meron na mga onti-onti, pero sa Mindanao talaga SM malls lang, mga motorista, no, meron dito sa CDO. So I think isa lang. So yeah, this is the Wuling Makaron. So if you are interested, mga motorista, no, maglalagay ko ng contact number sa baba ng ating video if you are interested in this very cute na sasakyan. Okay? So ayan, mga motorista, maraming salamat for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next episode.